What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Hustle and Craft YouTube channel. And today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide to how to start a clothing brand. First, you're going to go and get a heat press from HTV Runt for $89.99. Next, you're going to go over to Amazon and get you a crew cut Air Explorer 2 for $199. Next, you're going to go to tricitywholesale.com, and this is where you're going to get two 20 packs of HTV for only $42. This is what you're going to use to print your designs. Next, you're going to go to S&S Activewear. Here, you're going to get hoodies, the Hanes Eco Smart Hoodie sweatshirt, and you can get these as low as $7.49. And I would suggest starting out with a minimum of 30 hoodies. Get somewhere around 7 of each size. And with that, adding everything up, that'll put your total at $555.69. All right, that's a simple way for starting a clothing brand. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow us for more free game.